The roots of Lion Capital go back to 1998, when Lyndon Lee spearheaded the opening of the European office of Hicks Muse. The first person he hired was Robert Darwand, and together they recognized the potential of consumer brands for private equity investment. That's why, when they set up Lion Capital in 2004, they decided to focus their investment strategy on retail and consumer businesses, taking the view that knowing more about less would give them a competitive edge. The arrival of Javier Ferran, the former CEO of Bacardi, with his operational background and deep knowledge of brands, completed the jigsaw. Bringing in colleagues with whom we had long-standing working relationships, we built a team with an intimate knowledge of the way consumers and brands interact, allowing us to work with companies in a very different way to the average private equity firm. Our deep understanding of the drivers of consumer-branded businesses enables us to look beyond the financials and get to the heart of what makes a brand tick. We work closely with management to see exactly what a brand is capable of achieving, and then take it to new heights. Underpinning our approach is a four-part strategy to value creation. Geographic expansion. We identify new markets for a brand outside its current terrain to expand it successfully. Category extension. We determine which brands are strong enough to move into new product categories to increase the brand's reach. Product innovation. We bring experience and creative thinking to the development of new products to gain market leadership. Operating improvements. We focus solely on retail and consumer businesses, so our team is uniquely positioned to work with management to identify the right strategies for revitalizing operations. We only seek opportunities where our expertise can drive the most attractive outcomes. This combination of investment science and brand artistry has served us, our investors, and the companies we've worked with very well. And after more than a decade of success, we feel we're just hitting our stride. Lion Capital. We're passionate about investing in brands about which people are passionate.